Hello everybody again and welcome to another episode of Stock Talk. I am your host Mike, and on the other line is Cameo Furtado Iglesias Conejo.
Ricky Martin.
Yeah. He's unrelated / related / non-related. How's it going, man?
Living la vida loca.
Yeah? Did you see Radio Man got back to you?
No, I haven't paid attention. I've been sleeping, busy.
Yeah. So,
I mean, not that I haven't paid attention. I kind of read it, but,
yeah.
I just kind of overlooked it.
Well, we got a good show planned for you today. One of the first stocks we're going to talk about today, thanks to our friends at Advise Analytics on the Facebook page. If you're not there, go ahead and join up and see some of the stocks that they're talking about. Also, check out our links for free stock on Robinhood and Webull. They will hook you up, and we could share with you our Fidelity link that we're getting to as well, where you get some goodies possibly from them. I'm in negotiations with that there, Canale.
The money.
Yeah. So check them out. Check everybody out. But the first stock that looks like they sent us, they did a piece on CIDM, CIDM. It's currently trading at $1.45 and change. Cameo, it looks like they engage in marketing and distribution of movies, television, and other short content, managing a library of distribution rights. The cinema equipment business, content, entertainment segment consists of non-secure finance vehicles, administration, blah, blah, blah. So that's part of it. So if you guys want to check out this article, this is on Advise Analytics. Advise Analytics, looks like they did a piece on this. You could go to our Facebook page to check that out. It looks like they look for high quality films that resonate through their viewers. Having spent independent space, you watch any high quality films there, Camille, lately, or any high quality sports?
No, sleeping.
Oh, did you see that basketball game with Boston the other day?
Sure didn't.
So Kyrie goes and stomps on the the Celtics logo. And some set of tools goes out and throws a water bottle at the guy's head.
Oh, does he?
Yeah, he throws a water bottle at Kyrie Irving's head. Guys, if a politician and a sports guy triggers you that much to where you have to throw a water bottle at them and tries to hit him, it was a horrible shot, but he tried to hit him in the head, and it was a horrible shot. But like, you do need to seek medical help, just FYI. So moving back, what say you, Cameo, on that? If they trigger you that much, so
just run him over.
He's not condemning that, by the way. It's just like, that's just the dumbest thing.
Stupid.
People,
it's
yeah,
common sense.
Yeah. These people are not worth your time if they trigger you that bad. Seek medical attention. Get medicine from your local doctor. They will prescribe you these kind of things if they trigger you that much. So, but anyways, CIDM is they do high quality films. They partner with Monte Cristo International. You ever heard of them, Camille?
No.
Nope. If anybody else has, leave it in the comment section. We'd love to hear. We're loving all the comments coming in. We got some new listeners that we'll have to go over too. There's some good ones out there. The company also partnered with Strum, a new streaming service that is backed with Disney CEO Michael Eisner and the Disney and Discovery executives. So actually, this information that we're telling you was written by a professional company. It is not old news. So, speaking of which, did you know that your buddy Radio Man wants to know if you will give out the Sour Patch of the Week award possibly to any Sour Patches out there?
I gotta give it to you.
Well, you could if you want to. That's fine. I'm not in a Sour Patch mood right now. So yeah, he also would like you to give out the Negative Nancy award for the week. So that's possibly coming, guys. Just a FYI there. The company will be launching the Dave channel, not the Cameo channel, the Dave channel. It'll be a documentary and so real that initiated launch of Strum X is currently available for each preview on iOS app Store and all your other Chromecast, Apple TV. Eric Opeka, the president of CIDM Digital Networks, opened up with, the past year has changed the way people consume digital streaming channels. Would you say that's correct there, Cameo? How would you say you're consuming there, Cameo?
What am I consuming?
I don't know. What are you consuming these days? Is it
None
alcohol?
Of your business. None of your business, dog.
Just kidding. He's not consuming alcohol. That's a joke. When the landscape was once dominated by the SOVD platforms, consumers now branding out and finding there is so much more, and allows for discovery of curated streaming channels and the content leaning to more diversified streaming landscape for the future. So there's their market cap is at 237.31 million current shares. So there's your pop-ups right there for that. There's the Y charts. According to the report, Grandview Research, global video streaming market will reach an estimated 1.257 billion by 2025. So there's your stats on that. So it looks like there's more you can read on this stock. We're going to go to their website. Going on to CIDM.com. It looks like it's the site's done up pretty well.
What do you mean I have to go through? What do you mean no trucks come through here? This is the only way to my freaking picture.
So Cameo, it looks like on their site they got their movies that they've listed. One of his Gangsterland on Amazon Prime they have. So there's a trailer for that. Check that out, guys. There's freaking Gangsterland on there. Let's see, The Call with Grandma. You got that one. That one looks like Grandma's pissed off, like she something bad happened there. You got A Father's Legacy. That's up on the website. Is that
Paradise?
Yeah, you got Gangsters in Paradise. Yep. Coolio's coming back for another episode there. That'd be pretty sweet. I thought it's Knife Corporation, but I thought it said Knife Cop. There's one for Knife Corporation. The Battle of the Bulge, the Winter War. That one's a good one. My grandfather was in that battle. That's a bunch of useless. Yeah, that's a bunch of useless information for you guys, though, right? So it looks like they're announcing a significant growth of total users and minutes viewed for this month and channel. So look out, Netflix. You got CIDM to look out for. And with this stock being so cheap, guys, I mean, they got all. You can check out their libraries. They got the digital library. Distribution networks, Patchpoint, digital cinema. They pretty much got everything there. So what say you, Cameo, on this one? Take a look, see later. It's not on the pump and dump list. It just it could pop up on there. You never know. So lots of our stocks that we talk about do pop up on there.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah. So we're gonna go to Investors Hub, Cameo, and check that out. Yeah, see what we got. So we got information on this one for the past 2 weeks, and guys, if you if you think some of this is old because it was written 2 weeks ago because it's not on the pump and dump list and it's not popping, not my problem. And yeah, some of the listeners, by the way, when some of you guys are being ass clowns to us, yeah, they're not happy about it. So just to let you know, just an FYI.
Gotta go.
Okay, so Cameo's gonna be peace out. We're gonna go over Investors Hub there. And looks like CIDM with Stream Market is all over. Let's see. Yes, indeed, but I'm happy we did. And the manipulation continues. Absolutely criminal and credible. So there's one of your traders right there. This is coming from the current trader list. Some of this is going back to partnering with a new floater. BRSE, merged BRSE Monte Cristo International. There, it just happened. Let's see what's $1.40. Yeah, crazy, looks good right now, and you should add massive volume. With the elongated fiasco, can't find a better option. Very well possible since it's been trading. Yeah, the last couple news, this stock got shorted. So in the life of this stock, it's one to watch. It looks decent. Vize's got a good plug on our Facebook group. You can go jump into there and check that out, like I said. See what they wrote. They have some info. The website looks good. It looks pretty clean. It's above the sub penny range. Takes it. These stocks will come back to short here and there, but you can get this one on the hood. You can go check it out as well if you're going to go buy. But yeah, decent option. There's some traders on here that says it could blow up. You never know. So I'd say check it out. It looks decent McGee's. Guys, so looks like the next one we have here is RSHN Inc. Currently RSHN. Currently trading at 0.0022. Guys, this stock looks sick with it. It's like Jets, Hummers, CBD. Yeah, it's legit, dude. Check out the website here. Okay. Okay, so just so some people know out there, this obviously is a sub. It's being currently promoted on the promoters list, so that's FYI red flag. Don't dump all your money in when it's going on the promotion list and lose your arse, okay? So it looks like RSHN Inc. developed top quality CBD products. We're going to learn more. What do? We are developers of a top high quality CBD edible products with proprietary cultivation, extraction, and formulation techniques that demonstrate set us apart from other companies. Their goal is to control the cultivation to the customer from the growth and to consumption for unique, secure business model, and is poised for great things. Quality, high standards, and unique products from the best sources of soil and water and seed. So guys, this is a stock you're going to want to pay attention to because yes, you can get it at cheap real estate. Yes, going to Investors Hub as well and studying what the traders are saying as well and do some investigation is necessary because you don't want to buy a company that's in Chumbawamba somewhere or in mommy's basement or in a trailer park. So that's something to consider right there. It looks like they're expensive byproducts of full spectrum hemp production of a new frontier, and they're cutting edge of product for development with extreme optimistic products. They're formulated an experienced team of scientists and physicians with organic growers. They also make beverages. Take that into context there, guys, and think about that one. So guys, who remembers old NBev, going back to NBev? Do you remember when this company was way flying? It was almost like up to $18, $20. A lot of us made a lot of cashish from NBev. So it's $2.32 and change right now. This is going back now. We're going back down memory lane, so this is why we're going back to NBev. But the key there is this thing was all bumped 2-3 years ago. This thing was bumping all off the charts. So just remember, that's just your daily reminder of that as far as that. Okay guys, so one of the things on RSHN they have is a water fulvic acid enhancement water. Water A, it's infused with pink Himalayan crystals. So there's that. Okay, they also have E-water, it's electrolyte water. E-water, electrolyte water, the full spectrum of electrolytes, 70 ionic minerals and folic acid. So they also have a drink, it's a CBD drink called Knockout Punch CBD water. So there's that for you. Get in touch. We welcome to contact us for the information. So they also have their investors relations. The website is pretty well done. They have, it looks like, yeah, it looks decent as far as that goes. I like it that they have their products up there. Will the products and things take off? Maybe. So maybe we'll get some more information because when these videos go out, we also get promoters that come up to us and share other information of their products with us, and that helps give us more, you know, kind of the location of what is happening with these stocks. Okay, so one of the things we have here, this is a little bit of old news, but the last breaking news that they had on their site was on December 11th, 2019. Going back in time now. RSHN acquires Stop Drops Incorporated, a company that produces, markets and distributes all natural nicotine-free smoking and nicotine cessation. So that's something to put as far as for the information of RSHN that you guys can go back and look. Now we're going to go to Investors Hub and we're going to check out what the actual investors are saying about this stock and things about with this, what's currently being promoted. It's on a pump and dump list, and so which is on Market Club, which is good because Market Club is decent. You can make money. You can join their subscription and check them out as well because they will make you money if you play your you know, play the game that you play or whatever you do. They can help you with their tools. So let's get over to Investors Hub and then see what the traders are currently saying. Okay, so for this stock, for RSHN Incorporated, it looks like Investors Hub is like all over the map here as far as that the boards are freaking popping here. Reading some of the comments. Super legit company. That goes out from Get Money 12. Best month ever. So he's saying they have a good month. You go onto the Twitter link, and then he's got his link there for the best month ever on Twitter. The best is yet to come. We've heard that before. Yep, this is big boy money. Seriously bid, 0024 ask. This person said, in addition, we're about 1 week away from this thing blowing up. So there's that going TV there. What up, Soup? Lobster bisque today? Looks like he's going to go have a party because he's been making some bank. I would say at this cheap type of real estate, guys, it's a no-brainer to pick it up, but it's just what's your buying point entry? Do you want to short, or do you want to buy next week when, because a lot of these guys, they're going to be, they're railing it up and they're going to be gone. I mean, just honestly, they will be gone. So let's go Thermo Fisher. It's getting going. 25s are falling. When you can sell small chunks on the ask. Wow, huge. Been here for the true test. Weight of value here. Penny run, 003 plus, doable. 1 billion served and counting. Great news today. So there you go, 1 billion served and counting, allegedly. So there's your information from Investors Hub. Check out those traders and what they're saying. Chat them up, hit them up. Call them up, do whatever on see what they're saying and what their opinions are. They're good people. Hit up our people on post comments in the Facebook group as well. Share what the other current traders are doing with the current stocks that we're talking about, as well as others they have. Hit up Advised Analytics. See what they have to say. Look at their articles. So that's done for this stock. I am out on this one. I will get you another one here. Okay, so getting out of the cheap seats, the next stock we have is Viking Therapeutics, currently trading at $5.29. The information that we're going to discuss here comes from Advised Analytics, our friends over at Advised Analytics. You can check out their plugs as well on our Facebook page, as well as their other information. They have deep dive information to a lot of these companies that you are trading. Viking Therapeutics is in the clinical stage of biopharmaceutical company which engages in the development of novel therapies for patients suffering from metabolic endocrine disorders. The firm's clinical program VK5211 treats patients recovering from non-elective hip fracture surgery. It specializes in development in VK2809 and VK2014. The company was founded by Brian Liam. Okay, so this plug looks like it's coming from Viking Therapeutic for Advised Analytics. It says they're developing a small molecule selective thyroid hormone receptor beta agonist targeted at treatment of non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, a non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and other lipid and metabolic disorders. The candidate is currently undergoing phase 2B study in biopsy confirmed of non-alcoholic patients and NASH and fibrosis. According to the estimates, only 20% of the people suffering from NAFLD have NASH, which the rest of the only is a simple fatty liver. With nearly 40% of the U.S. are afflicted, 3 to 4% have NASH. So they're working on studies for that. It looks like the NASH market is worth over about $13.38 billion by 2026. So that's just something to put on your pipe and smoke it and think about it, toke it, choke it, do whatever you're going to do. So check out, they have all their pie chart, the sources, graphs, statistics, things like that. So check that out on Advised Analytics. Sorry, my freaking tongue is tied. Looking at the website, going on to Viking Therapeutics, looks pretty good. They do have coordinates, but what do you expect when you're trading at 5 and change on a stock? You're not in mommy's basement, and you're not in a trailer park somewhere. No offense if you are there, that's cool, but it is what it is. It's something to consider when we're looking at current stocks to trade. We don't want somebody to take the money and run, just like the song. About their developing, they have their in their about section. They have all of their information. They have for you to check out. in their pipeline. They have all their metabolic disease programs they're working on, the rare disease program, the musculoskeletal program, and their pipeline programs. So the website has information. They have their Twitter feed you can go check out. You can go look at all their programs they're working on for some of the case studies they're doing. But as far as with them, it's pretty general and simple on their website. Nothing that's going to completely put out a novel. But it gets to the point and gives you the information. Going through some of the information, it looks like it's back in May from Investors Hub. So now we're traveling over to Investors Hub just to get a feel of what some of the investors are saying about this. They're saying, not sure what the news is. Anybody here for VKTX? Hopefully we'll get a positive update on an earnings report soon. 428. So if you have the earnings report, guys, go check it out. I'm not going to go into it. You guys can go and check it out and look at that and let us know in the comment section if you want. When in phase 2, NASH date expected. Thanks, Rob C. Thanks, Sympathy Price Movement. Stock is finally taken off. Looks decent. Nice to see the good day get here. So just loaded up, ready to go. So there are some serious people in here. They're going for the long haul because when the fatty liver study breaks that they got more as far as they've got more progress with it, then it's just going to blow up and take off and you're not going to be able to get into it. So just, it is what it is. That's what happens with life. So that's the end with Viking. Cameo is gone. He'll be back in a little bit. He's off on the East Coast somewhere. We'll hook up with him tomorrow. Don't make it a dog show. Make it a good day. Happy trading. Join the Facebook page. See what other traders, talk to other traders, do what you got to do. Good night now!